and welcome back to another video. I'm doing another episode on the fit. I know I do a lot of fit episodes here lately. It's kind of a down season, not a lot of track days right now, so I'm taking this opportunity to do stuff I've been putting off. Today I'm doing kind of a underrated mod that a lot of people probably don't think about, but if you have one of these cars, you know it doesn't have a dead pedal. Somewhere to put your left foot. This is the Sebs garage dead pedal. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, nothing too fancy. Should be very easy to install, so it only take me a few minutes. This one is $125, which sounds expensive, but the benefit is worth it. Kind of also hides your shitty carpet, and you even get it with little holes in it, make it look cool. Okay, why do you need a dead pedal? If you do a lot of track days, HPDs, time attack, hit the tollgate roads, you know, the Dragon, whatever. If you're hitting a lot of tight corners, you realize that you slide around in the seat quite a bit. Even if you have a really good bucket seat, you can still move around. So the dead pedal is there to plant your left foot into to keep yourself steady, so you're not sliding around as much in your seat, which is one of the things you don't really think about until you start utilizing it a lot, or go to a track or a road that has like a lot of switchbacks, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Polecat's a great example of where I use it a lot because it's a super tight course and it's not very fast, so a lot of time I'm in the same gear, so I'm just left foot is just planted in that dead pedal almost the whole time. Which, this car, I don't have one. Of course, my car is probably not the best example considering I'm missing this plastic piece. And also, I've removed some of my foam insulation. I've been using this as my dead pedal, pushing into this. Which, it works, but it's sloppy and this carpet moves around and also my carpet looks like shit. So I would like to do something about that. Not only is this a good mod, it's kind of a good driving tip as well. What do you think? Okay, to install this, guys, should be pretty easy. Pretty straightforward. There's normally a piece of plastic trim right here that goes over your hood release latch. You can still see the two white clips. Essentially, you're going to have to pull that panel off. You might have to use like a body panel clip tool or something. So it come up pretty easy. And it will expose these two 10mm bolts that secure your hood latch on. So you just take those two 10mm out, put this bracket on, just those two holes, and bolt it back down. I do believe the plastic will go back over it, even with this pedal on there. Now just simply place your dead pedal holes over the hood release holes and install your two 10mm bolts. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Anybody can do this. I believe in you. Now just run your two 10mm down. And that easy, it's on. Of course, if you have the plastic, you can put it back on, which I can't show you, but according to the website, it's supposed to go back on without any cutting. It's kind of up to you if you want to remove any of the sound deadening or insulation that's underneath this pedal. I don't have any, mine's a ripped apart. Like, I personally think it would be firmer and stiffer without the insulation behind it. And yeah, it feels pretty good. Feels nice and tight. It's not flopping around. Good, great place to lay my foot when it's not on the clutch. And it's also nice and convenient to have on like long road trips. You're just cruising down the highway. It is a little bit more comfortable place to lay your foot than just down here on the floor or up against the carpet. And like that, it is done. Now wasn't that easy? Literally 2 bolts and a piece of plastic. And you have a mod that's really handy or pretty. It's definitely one of the easiest mods that make a huge impact on your driving. Definitely recommend. And all that's left is to take it for a spin. But before we go take this thing on a test drive, let's put this guy on and this guy on. Okay, I'm back from my quick little test drive. Unfortunately, there's not a whole lot of twisty and turnies. I essentially have one hard 90 down the road that I do a lot of testing on. That's about it. So it's not like I get some great testing for dead pedal, but I have faith in it. It worked out pretty good. It feels firm. Doesn't feel like it's floppy or anything. And placement of it. My right foot felt natural going over to it. It's not in a weird spot or anything like that. So overall, good product, cheap, easy, effective. And if you watched my previous video, you saw that I installed the clutch delay valve. Yeah, clutch delay valve. So I was also testing that on this test drive as well, and testing my steering wheel, adapter, bunch of stuff. Essentially did like 3 or 4 mods within 2 hours or something. But like I said in the last video, I got these parts from Sebs Garage, so go support smaller companies. This isn't a sponsored video or paid for video or anything. So yeah, that is it. Quick and easy, not much to talk about except for go buy one. And that's it. Are you still here? But we thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you next time. Say bye. Do the little paw thing. Gotta cover the lens. Punch the lens. Punch.